Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying exactly which port your HP Chromebook exposes and why that matters. USB-C can carry video and power, HDMI is video only. Once done, make sure the monitor is powered and set to the right input. This prevents signal hunting. Next, pick the correct cable or adapter. Use a direct USB-C to USB-C connection when possible for simplicity and reliability, versus passive adapters that may fail on older HDMI versions. You plug the cable in firmly, then wait a few seconds for the Chromebook to detect the monitor. This is why secure connections matter. Once the external display appears, open Settings and go to Displays to adjust resolution, orientation, and scaling. These settings match output to the monitor's native specs for sharp text and correct proportions. Choose mirrored mode for presentations or extend to expand workspace, and adjust refresh rate if the monitor supports higher frequencies for smooth. You finish by confirming audio routing and arranging windows. Switch sound output to the monitor if you want audio through its speakers. If there's no image, first swap cables or ports. Cable faults are common. Then reboot both devices to reset the handshake. For persistent problems, update Chrome OS and use an active adapter for format conversion, because passive adapters sometimes fail. This explains why software and adapter type both affect success. One good tip: test the monitor with another device to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.